Hi everyone, it is my pleasure to talk to you today about the EasyRider project led by Purdue University. EasyRider stands for Efficient, Accessible, and Safe Interaction in a Real Integrated Design Environment for Riders with Disabilities. We have assembled a team with over 30 years of experience in manufacturing and design of accommodations for people with disabilities and automotive transportation. Brawnability is contributing their expertise in wheelchair-accessible vehicles and lift and ramp products used in a variety of transportation applications. Local Motors is the builder of the Ollie autonomous vehicle. Schaeffler specializes in custom alternative vehicle control systems for people with disabilities, and Prehensile Technologies is providing innovative robotics and sensor systems to the design. There are 25.5 million Americans with travel-limiting disabilities. About 60% have difficulty traveling due to mobility or visual impairments. Both working-age adults and aging population have difficulty with travel. The EasyRider project focuses on these demographic groups and what design solutions are needed to allow them to be independent users of future AV technology. Autonomous driving technologies are the future of transportation, but it also presents a lot of challenges in providing people with disability complete agency to this technology. We are grateful to work along the other teams to develop inclusive design solutions that will allow people with disabilities to independently travel wherever they need to go. Our mission was to create an inclusive design that encompasses the entire travel experience for passengers with disabilities. This includes locating the AV, entry and egress, user-aware parking, configurable wheelchair securement and seating, independent operation of vehicle controls, and remote supervision for emergency situations. To best achieve this goal, we are building a full-size AV platform with operational wheelchair-accessible door and ramp, smart seating, wheelchair securement system, multi-sensory operational controls, and state-of-the-art monitoring systems. The images on the right show the current progress of the AV. We have enlisted multiple partners to help us develop these inclusive design solutions, including industry members interested in improving mobility of persons with disabilities and nonprofit organizations serving the disability community. There are 3 phases in our user-centered design feedback strategy. Phase 1 involved getting early feedback regarding AV usage among members of the Brawnability driving force. The driving force was developed to answer different questions in regards to disability transportation. This survey was conducted in early 2021. From the survey, we found people with disabilities were more receptive to using autonomous vehicles than the general public. They also suggested specific design considerations that they thought were critical to incorporate into autonomous transportation. Phase 2 is a targeted Qualtrics survey that we recently released to groups and individuals with disabilities or their caregivers. It was developed to inquire about their current usage of technologies intended for AVs and specific design solutions that we were considering. Additionally, we inquired about their current attitudes and expectations towards AV technology. The data collection for this survey is still ongoing, and a link is provided at the end of the presentation if you would like to participate. During Phase 3, we will be conducting in-person focus group testing at the newly built Brawnability Innovation Center in Carmel, Indiana during spring 2022. We are inviting key stakeholders, wheelchair users, and persons that are blind or visually impaired to personally test the different design features of our real-sized EasyRider AV platform that is currently under construction. These focus groups will allow us to better understand each individual's unique challenges during different travel scenarios. The following animations will show an overview of what the current design incorporates. Once the user hails the EasyRider vehicle, it will navigate to find an optimal parking location for safe entry and egress using state-of-the-art sensor technology computer vision to determine the appropriate location of the ramp. It will indicate this location using laser guidelines and deploy the ramp. Once the ramp is deployed, either the front or back seat can be raised to show the wheelchair securement system. The wheelchair user can then enter the vehicle and begin to align themselves with the vehicle constraints. Here you can see the user beginning to back up into the system. There is a camera that assists the user in backing up into the correct position. You can see how it looks to the user on the monitor at the front of the vehicle. Once the passenger is secured in the vehicle, the ramp will fold back up into the underbody. Users will be able to interact with vehicle controls using our app. The app allows passengers to control secondary options, entertainment options, check route information, in emergency situations, they can communicate with an operator. The operator has the ability to see what's going on and communicate with the passengers using the camera positioned at the front of the vehicle. Once everyone and everything is ready to go, the vehicle can begin to travel to the destination. This video shows the Ollie AV platform in action. It has the ability to kneel to provide easier entry and exit for the passengers. It is also fitted with an innovative ADA-compliant bronability ramp. The bronability wheelchair securement system adjusts in height to accommodate different wheelchairs, from power wheelchairs to manual wheelchairs. Once the passenger is in the system, the cinching mechanism secures the wheelchair in place and ensures a safe ride for independent operation. Here's a second example using a manual chair. There are many different passenger seating arrangements that can occur in the vehicle. In total, we have incorporated 3 different seats, one in the front, one in the back, and one on the left side of the vehicle. The front and back seats have the ability to lift up and reveal the bronability wheelchair securement system. With 2 systems, the autonomous vehicle has the ability to assist 2 wheelchair users to their destination. As seen in the previous video, both power and manual wheelchairs can be secured into place. Different combinations of seat position can allow for, but are not limited to, all of the seating arrangements on the screen. Passenger preference is important to us. We want to ensure everyone who enters the autonomous vehicle has a safe and comfortable ride. The next steps for the team will include conducting those in-person focus groups at bronability, determining points of uncertainty based on the data from the survey and the focus groups, improving the overall design of the Easy Rider final prototype, and finally, analyzing product findings and compiling summary documents to present at the 2022 US DOT Design Challenge.
Thank you all very much for listening. We would greatly